Hey guys, welcome to my video of this VEVOR 100 foot garden hose reel. I've been using this for about 3 months now, and I would say the installation of it is simple. They supply these 4 lag screws here, these lag bolts. You could do this. I was just cleaning my gutters, and I thought I would shoot this quick video. So you could install this by yourself. Just make sure it's level. Get you a little level, put it on there, or don't. And then put these 4 screws in. Then you lift this up, which is surprisingly not that heavy for one person, and they supply this plastic slide. So you could take this out in the winter time and put this up. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. This is how long the little hose is they give you. Okay, so I'd say that's about 6 foot. So this is 100 feet. My only complaints with this is the hose is kind of skinny and it does kink. So we use this to clean our truck with a pressure washer, and it did kink up in 2 or 3 different places. I don't know if you can replace the hose with something a little thicker or something a little heavy dutier, but for general, just around the house, pull it out, put it back up, it works pretty good. It comes with this spray hose. This handle works pretty good. It's got all your standard stuff, you know, jet, center, and all that. Like I said, I was just cleaning my gutters, so I got everything really dirty, but it works pretty good. I actually used a Dollar Tree one of these, and it actually seemed like it worked better. I haven't noticed any difference between this and your standard size hose, you know, the thicker hose like that. Like I say, this is pretty thin. I think this is a half inch. I'm probably more used to the 5/8 or whatever, but as far as the reeling action, this is why you pay for it right here. This is what it's about. I mean, you can pull it and just stop it anytime, and it works. It just works. No aggravation. When you're done, just give it a little tug, and then it pulls it back in. I've never had any issues. I use this thing to fill up my swimming pool. We've cleaned trucks. We've used pressure washers with it. I've cleaned my gutters out. You can see I use it to flush my gutters. It works, and it pivots. You can put it up against your house and put it away. 100 feet, so from here it reaches across the road, so to where that truck is. So it won't go around the truck, but it goes to the truck. So let me go ahead and do a video of it extended all the way out. Okay, so when you extend it out, it's got a stop sticker that tells you to stop. That's when you need to stop. If you go any further, you might overextend it. This is what it looks like. So let's go ahead and pull it as far as we can. And like I say, it goes pretty far, but it will kink up. Actually, I see a kink already. I don't know if you can see that. So it'll go across the road. I mean, it's pretty far. Okay. So I said it wouldn't go around the truck, but... And here's the spray, which is kinked up, see? Let's go look at the kinks. And what happens when it kinks like this, eventually that's gonna wear out and it's gonna stay like that. So that's one kink, and I see 2 more up here. So that's a problem, and that's a problem. That's the same 3 kinks I usually get. Eventually that's gonna make the walls weak if it hasn't already, and you're going to be finding a new water hose. Pull it. It's kind of slow because it's going around the corner of my house. There it goes. So you know, if you got a little angle like this, it doesn't pull so well. closer to the end, it goes right up in there. So definitely recommend it. But I would say after a couple of seasons, if you're somebody that wants to pull it out all the time, you're going to be buying a new hose. That's my review for the VEVOR 100-foot water hose. Real. Like, subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.